Yes, student, today we will discuss your problem solving exercise 1.3. In this exercise, we will solve three types of the questions. First, those numbers having the remainder 0 means this type problem is the number is the terminating numbers. Terminating numbers. Second type of the numbers here when remainder is never come to 0, then in this type problem will be two types here: non-terminating, repeating, and non-terminating, not repeating. So in this type question we will solve one by one. First of all here, suppose example here कि 1 upon 4. The result can come here 0.25. So in this type number, those number having here and digits. This in this, suppose you divide the 1 divided by 4 here, the remainder here comes 0. In this type number here comes terminating. Terminating. Second, suppose you are divided by 1 by 3 here, the result here comes 0.333 dash dash dash. In this type number is called the non-terminating, non-terminating, repeating. In this type number non-terminating, repeating. But suppose another type question here, suppose number is here block of the digits are repeating. Here blocks of the digits are repeating, then you can say here 0.3 bar. You can write here 0.3 bar here. Third type of problems here. Next example here 2 upon 11. When we divide by the 11, divide by 2 by the 11. First of all here putting here decimal and putting increase at 0 here. 11 to 11. The remainder here 9. Then taking increase 1 0 here. 11 8 is 88. The remainder again 2. So this number, we are starting number here 2. You have it, this number again repeated here. Means again is increasing 0, 11 is 11. But then again repeating here 2, 11 is 11. Then here 9, increasing 0 here, 11 is 88. So means blocks of the digits are 1 8 1 8 1 8. Means blocks of the digits are repeating here. Same thing here, then we can write here 2 upon 11 equal to 0.1818 dash dash dash. 0.18 bar. In this type number we can write here 2 upon, when you divide by 2 by the 11, so 0.18, 18, 18, many times you can this. So then you can write in this number here 0.18 bar. After that, this type of number is called the non-terminating repeating number. This number non-terminating repeating, this number also is non-terminating repeating, or this is called is the terminating, because this is not repeated here. This is the end digits at the 5. Here no any end digits here, then you can say here this number here non-terminating repeating. You can write here this is a non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating. In this way, we will solve the question: which number here the terminating or which number here non-terminating repeating. But suppose when we divide any number, a result come in this form. This form here, suppose 150, 1500, 15000 means blocks the numbers is repeating but not a particular pattern. 1515 is repeating but not in particular pattern. Here 10, here 20, here 30. Next time here 40, next time here 50, here 20. Next time here 15, again 20. Next time here 1510. So in this pattern, suppose your number are repeating. In this type number is called the non-terminating, non-repeating. In this type number, non-terminating, non-repeating. non-terminating, non-recurring, otherwise you can say non-repeating. So in this type number is called the irrational number. This number is the rational, this number is the irrational number, or this number also is the rational number. So when you combine the rational and irrational, then number is formed the real number. So in your syllabus, only decimal extension of the real numbers, not any other properties of the real numbers. After that, just note down for some next question here. First note down. Yes, student, question number second here. You know that 1 upon 7, 1 by 7 value is given 0.142857. Can you protect? Can you predict a decimal extension of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 are without actual doing the long division? It means without actual long division, how to find the value of the 2 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7? When value is 1 by 7 is given, it's means one value of the 1 by 7 is given 0.142857 bar, array putting here bar. Then find the value of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 5 by 7. So how to find without actual division? Without actual division, you have value given 1 by 7 value is given. And without actual division, you will find the value of 2 by 7, you will find the value of 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. Without actual division, how to find here? 1 by 7 value is given. Now start the solution here. 2 by 7 means 1 by 7 into 2. And without putting the value 1 by 7 here, 0.142857 and bar brackets bar here and into 2. So then you will multiply here. 7 to the 14, 5 to the 10, 11, 8 to the 16 and 17, 2 to the 4 and 5, or 20, 14 to the 28, 0.28. This one is the value of the 2 by 7. Similarly, you will find the value of 3 by 7 here. First of all, here write 2 by 7. You will separate here 1 by 7 into 2. Or 1 by 7 value is already given here. This value. Then you put here value of the 1 by 7 here. Then multiply here and put here bar here. Then you will get the value of the 2 by 7. Similar pattern, you will find the value of the 3 by 7 here. Means 3 into 1 by 7. What value of 3? 0.142857 and bar here. So then you will multiply and get the answer. In this way you can find the without actual division how to find out the any non-terminating repeating numbers will be here. Suppose any number will be any numbers given or any value given, you you will make the addition here and then to going multiply here, then you get the answer here. In this way you will find the value of the any other numbers. Yes, we note down the next questions. Yes, then next question here, given here next question, express the following in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q does not 0. So here three types of the questions here. First question here, pure type question. Suppose your first part here given 0.6, second part here given 0.47 and third type of given here 0.001. Here three part of the question given here. Is you will be represent these three parts here, first part, second part and third part as a P upon Q form, as a rational form. this number is the rational numbers, then we will represent in the form of the P upon Q. The first question here, first of all, you will be take this question here, first part is from here, first part. This first let this question here, let x equal to 0.6 bar. First of every question you will solve in this method. First of all, you will be the which value are given, you will be let this value as a x equal to 0.6 bar. After that, you will check this here, how many digits here repeating. Here only one digit repeating. Suppose you write this, then 0.666, this is the equation first. Means you can write how to write this one, 0.6 bar meaning 0.666 dash. This is the expand of this. This is the close form, this is the expand form of the 6 bar. After that, you will be multiply by 10. Why you multiply 10? Because here only one digit repeating. Only one digit, only 6 digits only repeating. So then you will multiply by 6. Multiply by 10. Multiply by 10 in equation first. 10x. Both sides multiply 10x. Then multiply in this side 0.6 bar into 10. So 10x equal to, when you multiply with 10 here, 1/6 will be transferred left side. This is the equation second. You have many 6 here, 6, 6, 6. When you multiply by this portion, the 1/6 will be moving the left side, and then you put this 6 bar here. And then I am putting here 6 bar here. You have many 6. Only 1/6 here move because you are multiplying by 10 means 1 to 1 digit will be moved left side. After that, you will be subtracting equation first from second. Second step, subtracting equation. Subtracting equation first from second. After that, we will subtract first equation from second. Then we will write here 10x minus x. Left side to left side subtract and right side to right side. The 6.6 bar minus 0.6 bar. 6.6 bar minus 0.6 bar. When you 6.6 bar and 0.6 bar, result here 6.0. When you subtract this in this way, 6.6 bar minus 0.6 bar, 6 bar to 6 bar is cancelled 0, or 6 minus 0 here 6. What is the result from here? 10x minus x here 9x, and 6 minus 0, result here come 6.0. It means this is only the 6, the 9x. 9x equal to 6. What value of the 6 here? You will write here 6 upon 9. 3 2 is 6 and 3 3 is 9. Result here come 2/3. What result come here? After simplification here, after simplification by 3 here, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, and the result here come 2/3. What value of the x here? What is putting here the value of the x here? We are putting the value of x here 0.6. 0.6 bar. Replace of the x in the actual value of the x. What is the replace of the x here? In actual value of the x. So x actual value of x is 0.6 bar. So then you replace here what value of the 0.6 bar. What will come here? 2/3. This is your answer. Means this is your rational form of 0.6 bar. 2/3 is rational form of the 6 bar. Means this is the rational form of. What answer of this of the P upon Q form here? This is the 2/3. This means both things are equal. You can write there 0.6 bar equal to 2/3. So this is the rational form of the 6 bar of 2/3. Yes, not only then next question. Yes, student, after that we will solve the second question. Is the second types of the question here. First type question is the completed. This is the second type of the question. The second type question, what is the second type questions here? In left, every question solved this way. X equal 0.47 bar. Here bar is the only one digit, 7 digit, but 4 is not having the bar here. 7 having the bar, only bar having the 7, not 4. In this question, how to solve it? In this question, we will solve, pattern is the same, but first we will move this digit in the left side, after that we will move the 7 bar move in the left side, one by one. So first of all, how many digits here one without bar here? First of all, check here. How many digits of without bar here? Here only one digit. Suppose here person in this form 0.247 bar. Here two digit of the without bar. And here one digit of without bar. Suppose two digit without bar, then we multiply by 100. Suppose one digit is without bar, then we will multiply by 10. So then we will write here multiply by 10. Suppose question here in this form, then you will write, then you multiply by 100 because here two digits is without bar, two digits are without bar, then you will multiply in this question 100. Suppose three digits without bar, then you will multiply by the 1000. 10x equal to 0.47 bar multiplied by 10. So 10x equal to 4.7 bar. This is the equation second, and this one is the equation first. This one is the equation first, and this one is the equation second. Same thing, you will check how many digits of the having the bars. The same number will be number will multiply there. Suppose single digit there, repeating here, then you multiply by 10. Suppose double digits are repeating here, then you multiply by 100. Suppose three digits are repeating here, means in this form 0.275. Suppose two digits are repeating, then you will multiply by 100. Then multiply, because you have two digits having a bar, then you multiply by 100. In suppose person having 0.2751, three digits here having the bar here, three digits having the bar, then we will multiply by 1000. So three digits repeating, to multiply by 1000, two digits repeating, then multiply by 100. Only one digit are repeating, then we multiply by 10. Again we write here, again multiply by 10 in equation second. You will write it in equation first. In equation first. Then multiply by 10 in equation second. Of equation first what has been completed. Of your multiply only equation second. The 10 here already has 10x into 10. Here 4.7 bar into 10. So then 10 times 100, 10 times 100x equal, when you multiply by 7 bar, 1 7 will be transferred in the left side. So 477 bar, and this one will be the equation third, converting equation third. Same process here, when you multiply 7 bar, 1 7 will be transferred. 7 bar means many sevens here. Here 7, what is the meaning of the 7 bar? 7, 7, 7, dash. Many numbers of the 7 here. So when you this is the meaning of the 7 bar. So when you multiply by your 10, only one 7 transfer in the left side. The same thing says you have many 7s. 7 bar means you have many 7s. When you multiply by 10 in the 7 bar, then one 7 will be transferred in the left side. And this 4 converted into 47, or here again the 7 bar. Then again subtracting your equation third to equation second subtracted by the equation third. So now you write subtracting equation second from third. From equation third. This equation by this equation first work has been completed. This is not required, but you will subtract by equation second from equation third. You will work only second and third here, not using the first. Then 100x minus 10x, 100x minus 10x, left side portion, then right side portion 47.7 bar minus 4.7 bar. You will subtract the separate way to 47.7 bar and 4.7 bar. The 7 bar to 7 bar is 0 here. 7 bar to 7 bar is here 0, and 47 upon 4, 43. The result here 43.0. So what is the result here? 43.0 means 43. Or here left side here 100 minus 10 is 90x. This one is 100 minus 10 equal to 90x. 90 will transfer this x equal 43 upon 90. Suppose here any number is cancelled, we may consider that, otherwise your answer is same there. Or what value of the x here? What value of the x here? Replace value of the x here 0.7 bar. So x will replace here 0.47. The your final value here 0.47 bar equal to 43 upon 90. Means you can write here what is it here? 0.47 bar. Bar only 7 here, not 4. 43 upon 90. This is your answer. So this is the decimal form of the 0.47 bar is 43 upon 90. This is your final answer. According this way, any questions here, suppose here 2 digit, here 2 digit, here 3 digit, here 2 digit, you will be multiplied by according to your problems. How many digits here without bar, or how many digits is having the bar. Then you will multiply according to digits. Suppose 1 digit is without bar, then you multiply by 10. Suppose 2 digits is without bar, then you will multiply by 100. Suppose 3 digits is without bar, then you multiply by 1000. Same process to using the digit of bar. Suppose 1 digit is without bar, then you multiply by 10. 2 digits are without bar, then you multiply by 100. And suppose 3 digits is without 3 digits is having the bar, then multiply by 1000. According to digits, you will multiply by the 10, 100, 1000, not any other numbers. Yes, you note down. Then last part you will solve it. Yes, class. Yes, class. The third part here 0.001 bar. This is third part. How to solve this part here? 0.001 bar. Same things. You will first let this part here x equal 0.001 bar. This is one equation first. And you know what is the meaning of this part. This is the meaning of this part. 0.001 bar means 001, 0.001, 001, 001. In this way, this is the meaning of this part here. And next here, first of all, how many digits are repeating here? 1, 2, 3. Here without bar digit not any here. Then we are totally digits having the bar. 3 digits having the bar here. 1, 2, 3. The 3 digits having the bar. Then you will be directly multiply here 1000. So multiply by 1000, multiply by 1000, multiply by 1000 in equation first. 1000x equal to 0.001 bar multiply by 1000. Both sides multiply. After that, you will multiply here how many digits are 30, then you multiply to 1.001 bar. This will become same time. How to multiply? Suppose you have 0.001, 001, 001, dash. Multiply by 1000 here. Multiply by 1000 here. Only 1, 2, 3 0 here. How many 0 here? 3 0. The 3 digit will be shifting in the left side, transferring in the left side here. 0.001, 0.001, 001 in this way. It means 001 meaning 1.001 bar. I am writing in this form here. How to convert this multiplier? When you multiply by 1000, this line, this will be converted in this form. How it possible? In this way possible. Next thing here, you will subtract the equation first from second. This is the equation second. So subtracting equation second from first. 1000 x minus x, 1x. How many x here? 1x. 1000x minus x equal 1.001 bar minus 0.001 bar. So what is left here? Only 1.000. It means 1. This is the value of the 99x. 999x. 1000 minus 1x. 1000x minus 1x is 999x. Similarly here, what will be of the x here? So 1 upon 999. 999. And similarly here, we will replace of the x here. What will be of the x here? 0.001 bar equal to 1 upon 999. This is this formula, rational form of the 0.001 bar. This one you have the rational form, means P upon Q form. Your 3 part has been solved here. How to convert in the any numbers, decimal numbers in the rational form. Yes. Note down it. Yes student, next question here, question number 4. Express 0.999 dash 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 in the form of P upon Q form. Same questions here. Here question given in the expanded form 0.9999 dash 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 dash. So first of all you will write the form of 0.9 bar. Then you will same method you will solve the question. First of all, this is question number 4. First of all, we will write the question in proper form in this way. After that, we will solve it in this method. Clear it not? Question number 5. Question number 5. Tell you the maximum number of the digit in the repeating block of the digit in the decimal expansion. Same thing. Question number 5. Same here. 1 upon 17. You will be divided here 17 divided by 1. 17 divided is not possible, then you put your decimal, increasing your 0, decimal 17, again here, again it's not possible divide here, then increasing your after 0, then 1, 0. So 100 is possible divide. Suppose you are increasing your 1, 0, then putting your decimal, increasing 1, 0. But 10 is not possible divided by 17. Then you have required one more 0 there, then will be increasing 1, 0, then make it 100 and then divide it, then how many times you divide, then you find the value of this. According this way, same question number here, 7 and 8 is same that here. Just note down this question and then you solve the question number 4, 5, 6, 7.